Hi guys, join us on our trip going to Singapore. So we'll be staying there for 5 days and 4 nights. So it is very exciting. Kaya yes, uban na sad ta. We will share with you all the tips, tanan mo mga laagan para mas madali ang inyong travel. Alright, finally we're now in Changi Airport in Singapore. So this is the first glance here in Singapore. It's also very important before arriving here. Much better nga nakasubmit na ka sa SG arrival card through online para dili na ka mo maghimo pa dire. Mas faster ang inyong process. So guys, we also need to have SGD. So what we will do is we will try to withdraw money here. So this is much cheaper than having the currency exchange. We now have SGD. So what we did is we'll just use our GCash card and you can easily transact here in the ATMs, and this is much better than having the currency exchange because you have better deals here. So also we also need to purchase EasyLink. So this is what we will use for this transportation system. Okay, so you can also purchase it here sa currency exchange nila with the same rate. So this is uh, $10 and my $5 na siya na wallet inside. So you can use this as for the transportation here for the trains and buses. Okay, EasyLink. So we now have our SIM and just have our promo code Lumad Cebuano and get this through Klook and have good discounts. So this is very essential here in Singapore so that you will have a data or internet. So guys, to ride the MRT, we need to go to Terminal 2. So naray mga signages there for you to locate. Parehaan niyo. Look at this. So our hotel is at the Lavender. So we need to go to the MRT. MRT here starts at 5:30 a.m. So guys, this is the free shuttle going to Terminal 2. Look at this. So guys, we're currently at Terminal 2 and we're going to the MRT. So one of the best thing here is free ang transportation hopping on airport from Terminal 1 to Terminal 4. It's all for free. And it is really easy to communicate here because most of the staffs and most of the people know how to speak English. So that is the way going to MRT. So guys, this is the EasyLink. So this is the first train Tanamera. This is our way going to the city. So we're going to Lavender. That's our hotel. So guys, we get a privilege to have an early check-in. Hi guys, this is our room for our first 2 nights here in Singapore. This is V Hotel and this is the room. Dili siya dako, but the view here is so nice. Look at this. Kita kayo dari ang city. So it has 15 floors and naami sa 14th floor. What you can expect here, we have a double bed that is good for two. Here we have this wardrobe nga naa sa safety deposit box. Here we have a little working table na kay flat screen TV. We have this for coffee, amenity, and we also have mini refrigerator. We have complimentary oxygenated drinking water. So let me show you our comfort room. So look at this. We have sink and we have hot and cold shower. So this is what you can expect here. A little bit of amenities also. Alright. So one of the best thing lang gid aning hotel is this is very accessible sa MRT kay ignaog nimo sa MRT Lavender. Uh, Mo-walk lang ka gamay, maabot na rin ka sa hotel and sa ubos daghan kaayo og mga kananan. So it is very accessible yun kayo. So guys, we actually booked this one through Klook, and to get discounts, always use our code LUMADCEBUANO, and that's it. Grabe guys, they actually prepared something for us at na sila welcome amenity. So that is actually our hotel, V Hotel, and there's a lot of shops here as you can see, and there's also Kufu where you can dine in. There's a lot of food stalls here in different choices and a lot of choices. So dere nami mag-lunch. This is our first lunch here in Singapore. This is usually the rates here. So you can expect that rates will vary from $5 to $10. Our first meal here in Singapore. So this is just a food court and there's a lot of food stalls here. So this is what you can expect for a $6 meal here. So I have this noodle soup and Sir Rosie is having his braised pork with rice. Thank you, sir. Hi guys, we're currently here at the Arab Street. So this is one of the most touristy destination here in Singapore. We have the Haji Lane and also the Sultan Mosque. So this is a place of the Muslims. This is the Sultan Mosque, Masjid Sultan Singapura. So this is already the center, and here daghan kay mga shops nga inyong pwede mapalitan, just like the souvenirs and also na mga coffee shops sa gilid. So diri gid sa Arab Street daghan kay mga souvenir shops, mga clothing, and yes, it's all about the Muslim things. So mga sarong, as you can see, daghan kay na diri. Look at this. Diri na nimo makita sa Arab Street. Singapore is really hot, so humid kasi at last na refreshments diri gawas sa the mosque, Sultan Mosque. So you can buy refreshments or food here. This is how expensive is the water here. So the big one costs 3 SGD. So how kayo there, so namalit me. So guys, we're now in Haji Lane. So mao ni ang lane nga makita ninyo nga colorful kaayo ang mga shops and restaurants. So this is very long. So ato nang subayon, very touristy sa kay ni siya nga lugar. Look at this. Touring around the streets of Singapore is just so amazing. Architecture are so defined. Just look at this. Actually, the buildings are also very, very nice. So, makahunong jud mo to take a picture. Just like this one. Look at this. This is how the transportation works here in Singapore. So, usually, same lang siya sa Taiwan nga mong naduan before. So, it is easy and convenient, and almost all the places are connected gyud tanan. So, easy ra jud kaayo to commute here in Singapore, and they really suggest and promote commuting kay mas dali siya, mas barato sad siya. Basta bisan pag newbie ka dere, basta motanaw lang ka, daghan masad kayo og mga signages, so malocate ra gid nimo. Hi guys, currently we're in Little India. So This is also a place here in Singapore which is the home of the Hindus. So usually makita sa nato diri puro sa mga Indians. So look at the surroundings, guys. So this is really what makes Singapore so diverse. Grabe ilang culture, no? So dool ra kayo gikan mi sa Muslim area, and just few minutes lang na nami sa Little India. The busy streets of Little India. So naaghan sa kaayog baligya diri. So mostly it's all Indians ang naa diri. Daghan sa mga bisag unsa nga mapalit diri sa kilid-kilid. One of the attractions here in Little India, they have a heritage house. So I don't usually know the history of this, pero yes, this is very colorful and they're very vibrant. And here's the busy location here. Daghan jud kay mga kan-anan usab. Dine in.
Not for you. No one. No one will give you.
So this is the original biryani rice. So look at this one, the nice sauce. Woohoo! Dako kay nga manok. Right. So you can spot this here in Teka Center sa Little India. Daghan jud kay mo kapilian nga mga pagkaon dere. Good morning, everyone. So here in their fourth floor, you will have your breakfast buffet. So let's check what we have here. I think this is an international breakfast still. Yeah. This is what you can expect for the breakfast here. So mostly Indian ang ilang mga food. So nalang sila yung mga sausages, then the omelette, na ham. So maura niya mong gipangkuha kay murag maura niya ang pasok sa taste na to. So they also have this soup nga, yeah, grabe ni kay spicy lang soup. So yes, mao na inyong ma-expect. Wala dire mga bacon nga inyong paborito, mga tocino. So at least na mo yung idea kung unsay pwede ninyo makaon diri. So one of this and also one of this. Yeah, that's all. No. How much? $6. So guys, this is the price here in Singapore. So if you're on a budget, you can just like buy in these stalls, no? Example, naran sa gawa sa mga hotel. And mamalit mi daan because we're going to Universal Studios. So this is the price range. So usually, example, the rice here is $1. That is 50 pesos. Yeah, example is egg is 0.70. So mo ni siya egg. Yeah, if you're going to buy chicken, just like these chicken wings, that is $1.7. So nga na ang karinderya nga set up here. So yes, lahi gid siya taas gyud the rates diri sa Singapore. So luncheon meat is tag 50 pesos. Luncheon meat diri is 50 pesos. Okay? So mamalit mi daan because we're going to Universal Studios. So it's Universal Studios Day and we're in Lavender Station. Ang usasad sa nakanindo dere kay grabe gid kadagag options to go there, no. So like amo lang ning tanawo ng picture sa ilang train system. Guys, if you're now in the harbor front, naray mga signages going to the cable car. So we need to go to Tower 2. Nata diri sa ticketing office sa cable car, but since we booked through Klook, no need nata mo linya. We just show the QR code and mas barato pagid ni siya. So guys, nakagawas namin sa cable car, and when you go down sa Sentosa station kay dire mo moagi sa ilang na sila area there, so where you can buy some souvenirs and snack. Okay? Okay. So this is now in Sentosa. So we will go to Universal Studios. Pangitaw naman. Or if you're going here sa Sentosa Station. So mga 500 meters pa din makaagi mo ning Madame Tussauds. Kato mga estatwa sa mga greatest actors just like this. So lahi sa na siya entrance dira. Here's the very iconic globe sa Universal Studios. First time makita ni Rosie.
Yeah.
No, nasa day ligo dito. So it's Monday today pero kaya daghan gid gyud kay tao. Oh my god. Nailigo mo so gyud tas ligo boss. Go land here in Universal Studios. Oh my god. This is heaven. Oh. Oh my god, look at this. Buta. So here's the crowd, here's Globe. So you can also purchase tickets here if you don't have, but for us, no need to get tickets here because we have it through Klook. Okay, so mas barato siya, mas dali, mas convenient gamiton. Okay? This is Universal Studios Singapore. Di jud makumpleto ang inyong Singapore trip kung dili mo makapicture diri sa Universal Studios nga Globe. So this is the only Universal Studios in Southeast Asia. This is the entrance of Universal Studios. Very lively, very colorful. Look at this. Whew. Grabe dire, yes, no, there's actually a lot of shops that is inspired sa inyong mga favorite characters. Na Hello Kitty, na there is the Minions. Daghan kay kag mapalitan yung puro Minion inspired things. Like, syempre, the stuffed toy, t-shirts, and all na ana na ninyo diri makit-an tanan. Naguba. So guys, this is the most exciting sa diri sa Universal Studios, the Transformers. Okay? So unfortunately, wala natiwas ang among ride dito sa Elmo kay naguba, pero nihatag sila og complimentary express pass. Usually the waiting time as of the moment is approximately 1 hour. So at least naka-complement mas dali ang atong pagsakay diri. So let's get it on. Woohoo! Alright, so the waiting time here is 50 minutes, but here in the express is just 5 minutes. Oh yeah, thank you so much! Balag, wala may nakasakay sa Elmo. Basta mas dali ang atong sakay diri sa Transformers. Oh my god! Zap! So, kumusta mo experience ito, Rosie?
Super nice. Ah, that's so exciting.
So, the experience there is super immersive. Grabe. So, buto-buto mong dughan, mura jugag na assassin. And yes, it's truly an experience here in Universal Studios. So, worth it gano'n yung pag-fall in line din, right? Promise, you should try the Transformers.
Kaya,
So this is the Sci-Fi City, and mao na ang mga rides nga you can expect here. Ato ning sakyan tanan. Look at this. So extreme roller coasters. Let's go, let's go! Woo, okay, so kailangan din mo rent og locker. Okay? So let's rent a locker. This is for free for 60 minutes. So again guys, if ganahan mo extreme adto mo sa Cylone and ganahan mo chill gamay is the human, pero Grabe gyapon, lipong-lipong gyapon mo ng human. Kumusta mo yung first experience?
Lipong.
So makalipong gyapon ako pero ganahan mo super extreme Cylon. Pero di namin mo suway sa Cylon. And yes, daghan og mga palitan nandire guys ha. You can see. For reference, corn dog dre is $7, no? So medyo pricey gina siya. They're equivalent to 350 pesos. So next na tong explore is the mummy, the ancient mummy. Look at this. Giant statues, grabe kanindot. Woo! So let's check what's inside the mummy. So this is the line going to the mummy. Let's check it out. Structures are also very nice here. Ancient inspired, made of cement with the mummy paintings, Egyptian paintings. So guys, grabe sa na-experience ito, so extreme. So we didn't expect like ato kay extreme. So yes, maluya gyud mo kay roller coaster, tuwad-tuwad gyud mo. Gambam ni. That's the Jurassic World. So dira daghan sa activities. Like mao gyapon na yung mga roller coaster, then nasay katong mabasa gyud ka. Pero wala na lang mini adto kay tag-as kay linya and it really takes time. So mangita mi iglain karon nata sa far away. There is the Water World katong na mga shows but schedule ang shows dira ang next is 5 PM pa. So ari sa far away. Inside the far away you can see Pussy and Boots na store sa mga duaan, nasa mga cafes just like this, and another is Shrek. Alright, and nasa mga shows diri ha na pwede ninyo ma-enjoy for entertainment. So usually mga pangbata yun diri nga part. Take a picture with Shrek and Fiona. Pero taos na dyan kigilinya tanawa. So guys, our next destination is the Sea Aquarium. So tapad ra siya sa Universal Studios and we're trying to fit the schedule for this. So again, since we booked through Klook, di nata mo fall in line dira diretso nata sud sa Sea Aquarium. This is the entrance of the Sea Aquarium. Oh, grabe. Sa area diri nga puro gyud jellyfish and grabe ka nice tanawon, very magical. Look at this. Oh my god. And nasa cute kis tanan diri na diri like look at this. So guys, there's a lot of like framings here nga pwede ka ka-picture nga dulit kay tan-awon ang photo ninyo. The most precious kaayo nga talanawon. Look at this. Grabe ka fantastic. Oh my god, this is so huge. I would say this is one of the bucket list gyud sa Singapore nga dapat bisitahon. Agree ka ba?
Yes.
Ano sa'yo masulti nyo dali?
Very nice.
Ano man?
Feels so magical.
So guys, that's all for the sea aquarium. So probably you can allot 2 to 3 hours here is enough already, and the scene is just super relaxing. Nindot kaya mga isda. Makarelax yun dyan sa mata. Bas no? Oh, grabe yun. Nagpuan. Uy. Our second hotel nga, stayhan diri sa Singapore. This is Furama City Center and one of the best locations sa Chinatown. So doon siya sa Chinatown and doon sa MRT and naapagay bus station sa Gawas. Very convenient. So diri na sa mo explore. Let's check it out. Let's go! Okay. Sige, check in, boss. Okay, sige, go. So here we go. So here they do self check-in procedure. So executive floor. So we're actually staying in the executive floor. So this is na meron silang until 23rd na floor. Super nice. All right. Again, this is our room, sumpay, no? So we have the sink here, may bathroom with full amenities. Siyempre, usa sa pinakaganahan ako is the bathtub. Ganahan yung bathtub. Then, fully equipped with like amenities like soap, shampoo, conditioner, and hot and cold shower. And this is clear glass. Anhita sa among room. So, look at the room. Very big, very huge. So this is a king size bed, and we have working table and another TV. Here is naatay safety deposit box, mga hayahan, syempre bathrobes and drawers here to store your things. May plancha, naasay, chinilas. And here guys is guwapo sa giandam nila nato. So, na sila yung welcome mga pagka-design. This is Furama mo nilang icon. And yes, welcome letter. And this is handwritten. So, maligayang pagdating in Tagalog dialect. Hi, Sir Clyde. Pinaka-indot dire is the spot. Since this is in Chinatown, guwapo kayo ang view. Look at this. Okay, so dira mauna na ang Esplanade, na ang Art Science Museum, katong taas dako kayo nga Ferris wheel, na ang Merlion dapit, na ang Hilux, and here is the Clark Quay. So the Clark Quay is just like 5 minutes walk lang daw diri. So that is actually the nightlife here in Singapore. Very ideal doon sa Chinatown. So you can book this one through Klook and use our promo code LUMAD Cebuano to get good deals and discount. So one of the good thing here sa among hotel kay naray access going to the MRT station. So the nearest station here is Chinatown. So guys, usa sa nakanindot sa ilang mga tourist attraction there is mostly nanay designated nga MRT nga duol. So sama na lang sa Marina Bay, nasa Gardens by the Bay. So masayon na gid ilaag diri tungod na ilang MRT system. Daghan kay maps, easy and convenient gid kayo pagka-design, grabe. All right. So that is the super tree ato ng sak-o niya. And also the flower dome is na dito nga part. And the cloud forest. So ato naman masudlon. Let's go. So just for reference mo ni ang mga rates guys So kamo na like kwenta dira basta if you book through Klook mas barato gyud niya siya. Plus na ba joy discount using our code so doble na ang inyong savings. Wow, automatic. Oh, ugnawa diri grabe. Whew. So guys, this is the cloud forest. So this is what you can expect here. Daghan kay species sa mga tanom ang ilang gibutang diri. And taas kayo ang waterfalls. Look at that. Tanaw na to dito, and you can actually roam around here. Habot pa dito na sila look out nga station dito. Mas dool ka sa waterfalls o mas taas dito siya. So, and the temperature here is so cold. Air conditioned siya, bugnaw gid kaayo. So, refreshing kayo ang feels dire. So, as you walk along the way, you will see a lot of species of the plants. Gikan sa gagmay na mga pangalan, hangtod na lang sa mga tag-as gyud nga mga kahoy. Oh my god, this is so nice. So mga tuta sa taas guys. So actually every 2 hours mag-misting sila dire guys. So this is what you can see here. Every 2 hours water na siya, then mag-sprinkle sila everywhere. So nindot kay siya nga timing, iganhin ninyo kung makabisita mo nga ma-timing o mag-misting. So dramatic kayo ang scene. Look at this. So this is actually the 6th floor, and this is the topmost na. So here surrounded yapon siya with trees kasi klase nga tanom, yan ay artificial nga water lily. Or here nga makita ninyo ang waterfalls, and near dool kayong waterfalls diri, and you can have a good photo. So this is in 5th floor.
Wow, love this. Anyone?
So mo niyang makita na to sa Ubos. Look at this. Or nasa nindot nga gallery. Sumusod na nilang konsepto nga naay audio and video nga mura ra sad kag naa sa lasang. Guys, lingaw kay ni diri tanawa. Tumbi lablab. Look at that, tanawa. Oh, wow, magic. Tanawa guys ah. Oh, wow. So guys, there's actually a spot here in Gardens by the Bay. Sa second floor, mas kita kayo ang mga super trees dire. So look at this view. Okay. So this is kanasiya is the observatory niya. This is the skywalk. So amo na siyang sakon karong taod-taod. So nianhimi kay mas nindot ang photo diri, unobstructed kayo. Look at this. This is the ticket price for the attractions here. The super tree and the skywalk. So kami no need na mimulimya kay ni kuha mig ticket through Klook. So always use our code lumad Cebuano Klook, get discounts. Mas lower pa gyud na ang rate sa Klook, plus na mo 5% discount using our code. So taas kang linya.
Just join the group.
Thank you so much. So we've just entered the entrance of the super tree. All right. So this is what you can expect here. You can see the marina basins and all the super trees. So grabe no. This will light up during evening, so approximately mga 8 p.m. Nindot kayo siya tanawon kung naano mo sa taas. Susulit rasad gyud ang inyong bayad dere. So amazing, so huge. So guys, that is the observatory mo na ang pinakataas nga super tree. And kita kaya na siya dere. So guys, if you're looking for that elevator trend kay naa na dere. So if you're coming from the Gardens by the Bay nga super trees, nalay taytayan nga pwede ninyo agian, and you can reach this escalator papunta dito sa Marina Bay. Tara! Grabe, Singapore is always like as nga buildings and those architectures are really great. Tanawa ko na ang design, no? Sus, walay justice always sa video, pero if you see this one in actual, ma-amaze juga sa design niya. Highlight yung kistanan. The Marina Bay Sands. This nanajud mi diri sa the Helix Bridge. So this connects sa pikas nga land para maabot mi dito sa Merlion. Tanawa unsa ka amazing ang Singapore. So nag-create sila bridge to connect nga Malakawan. This is purely Malakawan lang good for people. Ilan lang yung gipanindot. Tanawa lang ang architecture diri. So amazing lang yung kistanan, di ba? So guys, finally naabot na gid mi diri sa Merlion Park. So actually dito mi gikan layo kay mi gituyukan og layo jud kay mi Gilakawan. So that's approximately 1.5 kilometers. So grabe no, skyline. Puro mga buildings tag-as kayo. Ingana ang scene nga makita ninyo diri sa Central Singapore. So that's the Merlion Park. Merlion of Singapore. So di gid pwede nga mani kag Singapore without visiting these iconic mermaid and lion. So dire daghan jud kay mga turista nga magbisita and grabe ang night lights dire. So kita dire ang atbang which is the Marina Bay Sands. Nga nindot jud kayo pagka-angle kung naa nakadiri. Today we're going to have breakfast first. So let's explore the breakfast buffet here in Forama City Center. So guys, you will have your breakfast here at Tiffany Cafe and Restaurant. This is their breakfast area. So we'll tour you around here. Here we have the bread station, seating capacity. So, alright, this is so wide. Here's the food here. So there's our soup. Okay. This is the salad area. Pancakes. Oh, this is Indian food. Rice. Okay, there's our sausages. Grilled turkey bacon. Wow. First time to try the turkey bacon. Oh my god. This is so nice. Teriyaki. This is the kind of breakfast that I am looking for. So, very lami. Very guys. Uy, na-soup pa. O, dimsum. So today we're going to explore the Chinatown. Maglakaw rami doon ra kay sa mong hotel. So it's actually a block away. So that area is already all the Chinatown. Let's explore that one. So guys, this is what you can expect here. Mao na gini ang Chinatown. So yes, look at that old structure. So grabe kanindot. So mauro gid ni ang ma-expect nimo sa Chinatown gid guys. Puro gid baligyaanan, mga pagkaon og mga souvenir items. Bisag asa kalingi puro items. Nya nakanindot sa dire kay barato ra jud kaayo.
So guys, if nangita mo mga Buddha nga pang souvenirs, diri ta na ninyo makita. Diri mga pangpa lucky charm.
So actually, dako-dako sa Chinatown niya. Daghan sa guys yung mga streets, you know. So guys, naadiri sa Chinatown complex at banganan naasad sila ay Chinese temple. So this is also one of the icon here in Chinatown. Yan, nasa kilid naasad sila yung mga tambayanan. So dira sila magduwa og mga usually mga medyo may edad na mga Chinese. Nagduwa sila chess o dama. So guys, naglibog jud mi kung unsay kan-o na mo diri sa kadaghan ug kapilian. But yes, mas appealing lang ni tanawon nga naay duck diri. So yeah, kanina lang among kan-on ron. We have the duck o na mixed roasted meat. We ordered no, this is the duck and this is the mixed meat. So yes, lami ko siya tanawon and I have this spicy thing na ngayo ko. And yeah, lami kayo siya. So if you have the executive floor, then you will have the executive lounge access. So this is the executive lounge located in the second floor. So you can have here evening cocktails from 6 to 8 p.m. So this is the cocktail foods that is available here, and this is unlimited from 6 to 8 p.m. So guys, we're now checking out. So we will miss Porama. We had a great stay here. The staff are really good, very accommodating everywhere. So our experience here is excellent. So good rooms, everything is good. Bye-bye Porama, and thank you so much to the staffs nga nag-accommodate namo diri. So guys, we're currently at the Terminal 3. So mod to me og Terminal 1 going to the Jewel. So we need to hop on a SkyTrain. So let's go. Bisitahaw na to ang the Jewel.
So guys, mo ni ang Terminal 3. Look at that. It's very nice, yeah.
Nindot kayo ang terminal niya. Tanawa, grabe ka-organized. And musakay mi dito sa Padung Jewel. I think nana sa unahan. So guys, if you're going to the Jewel and you want to see the SkyTrain nga moagi gyud dito atong murag rain vortex, you need to hop on T3 to T2, dili sa T3 to T1. Okay?
And that's all for our Singapore trip. Thank you for watching and see you on the next travel vlog. Bye!